Welcome back to the channel. In today's part 4 of our Game Development with Python series, we'll be diving into functions. Let's get started. Functions are like mini programs within your script. They allow you to run the same blocks of code multiple times without having to retype it. Creating a function is easy. You just use the def keyword, followed by the function name, open and close parentheses, and a colon. Then, just like if statements and loops, you indent all the code that belongs in the function. Functions can also take in values we want to use, called parameters, and return a value using the return statement. Let's make a simple function to get a user inputted number with a minimum and maximum value and a prompt. To start, use the def keyword to tell Python we are defining a function, and then give our function a name. After the name, we put an open parenthesis, the name of each of our parameters, with a comma separating each. At the end, we close our parentheses and put a colon. Next, we define the variable we will use to control our loop. When the user enters a number, we check if the number is valid, and if it is, we set this variable to true to exit the loop. Otherwise, we go back through. Since the variable is false whenever we don't have proper user input, we use a not operator to change it to true in the while loop. Now we create the variable we will use to store our user input, and convert the input into an integer for comparison. We also pass the prompt parameter we gave when we call the function to the input function. Next, we check if the inputted number is within our values, and if it is, we set our loop variable to true in order to exit the loop. If not, we tell the user to go back through the loop. At the end of our function, we will return the user's input for use in our program. In order to use the function, all we have to do is put the function name, followed by the open parentheses, the parameters we wish to pass it, making sure they're in the order we define them in, and finally a close parenthesis. If the function returns a value, we also have to make sure to store it in a variable. And that's the end of part 4. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are enjoying the series. See you next time.